You're not healing slowly because you're old or weak or broken. You're healing slowly because your cells aren't communicating properly. And if cells don't talk, they can't repair. It's like trying to rebuild a house with no instructions. You can take vitamins, medications, herbs, patches, and detox, but if the signals in your body are scrambled, nothing works the way it should. Healing isn't just nutrients. Healing is communication. I once worked with a man who was eating healthy, taking supplements, using multiple therapies, yet he barely improved. His issue wasn't nutrition, it wasn't inflammation, it wasn't detox, it was cellular miscommunication. His body wasn't able to coordinate healing. When we restored communication, everything finally started working. Here's some education, simple, easy to understand. 1. Your body is a communication network. Every cell sends messages, like text messages. 2. Repair tissue, switch inflammation off, activate immunity, produce hormones, make energy, build new cells. But stress, toxins, poor diet, inflammation, and aging can all break the signal. 2. What happens when cells stop communicating? Healing slows down, inflammation stays high, your immune system gets confused, hormones become unbalanced, stem cells stay dormant, you feel stuck even when you're trying everything. 3. The language of cellular communication. Cells talk using glycans, the natural sugars found in glyconutrients. These are not table sugar, they are biological messengers. They act like the GPS system, the instructions, the handshake between cells. Without them, your body becomes disorganized. 4. Phototherapy helps boost signaling. Light is also a communication signal. Phototherapy patches use gentle wavelengths to activate stem cell signals, increase repair instructions, reduce inflammation signals, improve cell-to-cell coordination. It's like turning the Wi-Fi back on in the body. You're not healing slowly. Your body is just missing messages. We can restore that. Cellular communication repair is step 5 in the restoration sequence. The sequence is 1. Open detox pathways. 2. Hydrate plus minerals. 3. Calm stress plus inflammation. 4. Repair digestion. 5. Restore cellular communication. 6. Build cellular energy. 7. Activate stem cell repair. 8. Maintain. When steps 1 to 4 are done first, the communication repair is powerful and fast. If you feel stuck, slow, or unresponsive to treatments, your cells may not be communicating properly. If you want to know which step your body is stuck in, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation on Zoom. Click the link or comment ready to book.